just checked the fridge. I don't have any more of the red tomatoes, but if I had some of the little small ones, I would just put them on top. But this is pretty much it. All it is, it has pepper and salt and egg and cream cheese and a toast. And I'm just gonna eat this for my morning breakfast. So I'll see you guys later. Hey, good morning, guys. So I'm gonna do a vlog of the day. So for today, I do have work a little later. I'm going to the gym right now, and I know I have a whole bunch of makeup on, but it's because I do have work. Usually I'll just, if I do go to the gym before work, it's just gonna be a brief shower and then I get ready there. But today I end up getting ready before because something else had happened. I just kind of want to vlog today just because I feel like today would be more of a realistic day to relate with most people, just because most people have work and they still are trying to figure out how to balance out the gym and work at the same time, and just your daily life. So this is what I'm doing as of right now. So obviously you can see that you could still go to the gym and work and so on and so on. I have my water bottle, I have my makeup and my work clothes and everything in there. I know my makeup bag's so dirty. My gym bag, and then I have my lunch bag. This is gonna stay in the car, but basically like all my lunch is in there. And pretty much I'm ready to go for the rest of the day. So we're gonna head into the gym. We just got here, and hopefully I get to record some things for you guys.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up.
So I just finished my workout. I'm already ready for work. I just need to fix my hair a little more. But all I did, obviously I already had my makeup on. I just took a body shower, not my face, not my hair, just a complete body shower. And I have my clothes in the bag, I have my scrubber in the bag, and now I'm off to work. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading to work now, and I'm not gonna vlog at work, obviously. All I'm gonna show maybe is my lunch and stuff like that for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my half day. Sucks that I can't vlog anymore throughout the day. I'm just gonna be stuck at work. But I just kind of want to show you guys what I do in a work day. Okay, bye.
I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of
So I just finished with my meeting. So the cool part about where I work at is that there is an outlet, and basically we have all types of name brands and outlet pricing, like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Tory. We have Michael Kors, Dolce & Gabbana, Lululemon, and then we have Nike, we have Adidas, all types of cool stores and outlet price. Now, I'm going to be going to Lululemon to see what I find. So I still have work later, like in 3.5 hours. So I'm trying to see what I could find meanwhile.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I